Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. I took some time to look into the Tavio Castor oil pack bundle. It's marketed as a product that can help with detoxification, bloating, joint pain, and even boosting energy levels. The bundle comes with a bottle of organic castor oil and a wearable pack for your abdomen, which is convenient and easy to use. Castor oil packs have been a traditional wellness remedy for a long time, and some people may find them soothing or feel a bit of relief when using them. That said, there's very little solid scientific evidence to support the bigger claims, like detoxifying the body or dramatically increasing energy. The website highlights thousands of happy customers and offers discounts, but as with any wellness product, it's smart to be cautious. Before buying, check for customer reviews from independent sources, understand the return policy, make sure your payment is secure, and research how responsive their customer service is. Personally, I don't think it's a scam, but it's also not a miracle solution. Results will vary from person to person, so manage your expectations. Thanks for watching One More Guru, and I'll see you in the next video.